Set. Drive out the blocks. Go!
Well, I'm from Pittsburgh, and all my coaching experiences have been throughout the country, and I wanted to return home was the biggest reason. But as an undergraduate, as a high school student, I looked at Point Park as a school as an opportunity for me educationally. But back then, they didn't have cross country or track and field, so I kind of removed it from my list. But I knew it had some really great academic programs, and believed that building a program here would be very easy and successful.
How you going over?
The hardest thing about doing track sometimes is just getting through a workout.
My favorite event is definitely the javelin. It's my favorite because I was supposed to have softball practice, but I just picked one up at track and I threw it, and the coaches were like, "Oh my gosh, we have to have you!" So it feels special to me.